Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a Gmail account. Go to the Gmail website. Open your web browser and navigate to www.gmail.com. Click on Create Account.
If you want to create unlimited Gmail account without phone number, then all videos link inside video description. You did not find videos like these videos on internet, and it's 1000% working methods. If you interested to create multiple Gmails, all working tricks inside video description, like and share this video and hit subscribe button.
On the Gmail homepage, you'll find a link that says Create Account. Click on it. Here you find their option: for my personal use, for my child, for work, or my business account. Choose one of them. I will select for my personal use. Fill out the form. You'll be directed to a form where you need to provide some basic information: first name and last name. Enter your full name. Username. This will be your email address. Birthday. Enter your date of birth, like month, day, year. After adding birthday, go to gender. Select your gender, optional. Choose a unique username that hasn't been taken already. If your preferred username is not available, Gmail will suggest alternatives. Password. Create a strong password for your account. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm password. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Enter an existing email address, optional. If you have another email address, you can enter it here. This is useful for account recovery if you forget your password. Provide a phone number. Enter your mobile phone number. This is used for account recovery and verification purposes. Click Next. Once you've filled out all the required information and agreed to the terms, click on the Next button. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Read through Google's terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to indicate that you agree to them. Congratulations, your account is created. You can now access your inbox and start sending and receiving emails. That's it. You've successfully created a Gmail account. You can now customize your account settings, add contacts, and start using Gmail to send and receive emails.
If you want to create unlimited Gmail account without phone number, then all videos link inside video description. You did not find videos like these videos on internet, and it's 1000% working methods. If you interested to create multiple Gmails, all working tricks inside video description, like and share this video and hit subscribe button.